lovely gorgeous people, it's Odette here. Welcome back to today's video. Hope you guys are doing absolutely wonderful. Happy Sunday to all of you guys. Thank you for coming in, and of course I am always happy to bring you guys another video. And again, don't forget to thumbs up, watch the video to the end, give this video a like. I would appreciate it very much. So according to the title, we are going to be doing some skincare empties today. I have been meaning to do one of these videos for like, I don't know, 15 years now. But I'm the type of person, if I see any, if I have any empties sitting around, it goes into the rubbish, right? I just toss it out because I hate to have things around. And I mean, it pained me to accumulate these things to show you guys today. But we're going to be just getting into the video. And of course, whenever I'm doing these kinds of videos, I always like to do these videos without makeup because I want you guys to see my skin. And I'm not wearing any makeup today because I'm testing out some brand new skincare products. And we're not going to say what they are yet, okay? Because normally when I'm trying new skincare products, I like to give it at least a good maybe 4 to 6 weeks to see if I see any changes in my skin. But so far, so good. It's nice and almost modified, but a little bit of a glow. But we're going to share another time the products I'm using. Let's just get started. So what have I finished or almost finished? These are the Systane Lid Wipes. I do like these. I have one left. You may not see me use this on camera, but every time I'm about to do my makeup or any sort of a skincare, I always use these lid wipes to just make sure there is just nothing or any residue left around my lids or just in between the lashes. And these are really good. And I'm out of the eye drops, but these are really, really lovely pads to use. And whenever I take my makeup off as well, I always make sure that I use this around my eyes, because sometimes, you know, you do have those actual little things that's just hanging around the eyelids. Sometimes it gets into your eyes, and this makes sure it gets it completely out. And these are the Systane Lid Wipes. So next I do have this product here. It's not a skincare empty, but this is it right here. This is called the Skin Spa. Tones and exfoliate for optimal skin health. And I got this from the dollar store. And I gave this to one of my friends as a little pick-me-up the other day. And she called and said to me, "Hi, your dad, that spa set that you gave me, I absolutely love it." So I just want to show you guys what it looks like. Okay. And let me just get this out for you guys quickly. So you have two things in here, the exfoliating brush, and this is the other massage brush for cellulite, okay? And it fits nicely into your hand. So I tend to do my dry brushing before I do my shower sometimes. So you just gently rub, this is the brush head right here, okay? You gently rub this over your skin just before you get into the shower to just bring the blood to the surface of the skin, to help to rejuvenate those skin cells and all of that. And again, it fits so comfortable in your hands. And this is one here for anti-cellulite massager. And here it is. And it feels so good on your skin. It's very, very gentle. Now, it's not very soft and it's not hard. But again, it all depends on how much pressure you apply to your skin. And for me, I treat my skin very, very gently. You can use this in the shower, but let me tell you exactly how I use this. When I'm finished with my shower and I go in with all of my body lotions and potions and oils and all of that stuff, I sit in front of my television and I massage my legs gently. So all of the skincare products I do have on my skin is going to work into my skin and help to reduce those cellulite. This, I'm telling you guys, from the dollar store. I think it must have been about $5, and it feels so good. You just massage this all over your leg to help you to get rid of them cellulite. And I have no shame in saying, yes, I do have a few cellulite. I'm trying to get rid of it, okay? And this is a lovely packaging it comes in. And again, it says Skin Spa. It tones and exfoliates for optimum health. Exfoliating brush. And then you do have the anti-cellulite massager. You will not regret using this. It's a really, really good product. This is the Veganic hair growth oil. This was the rage on Instagram for a long time. I've used this product, and sadly I cannot say this grew my hair. It did not do a thing for my hair. And I've emailed the company and I said I need a refund, because it did say if it does not grow your hair, you will get a refund. And listen, I need my refund, people, okay? I've sent them a DM. I haven't heard back from them yet. This is the Veganic hair growth oil. I mean, a lot of people were doing so many reviews about this product that, oh my God, it grew my hair in about 30 days. It didn't, okay? Next is this Maelys B-Flat Firming Belly Cream. And unfortunately, it didn't work for me, okay? I mean, I don't understand how people do these things on Instagram, how you advertise these things. How do you guys do these things? Maybe with black people it's different. Maybe it works differently for black people's skin. I mean, I don't know. But this didn't do a thing for me. When you put this on your stomach, you can feel some heat, but it also smells like cayenne pepper, right? That's why it tells you when you pump a little bit of this into your hands and you massage your stomach, you have to make sure that you wash your hands properly, because God forbid you rub your eyes, you're screwed, okay? This did not work. And of course I sent a DM to the company and I said, money back guarantee, please. Money back. I need a refund. This did not work for me. And I'm never going to buy that again. And the Veganic hair oil, I will not purchase that again as well. Next, I do have from Nakery Beauty. This is a skin toning body butter, and it also comes in a 3-pack. I'm still using one of them, and these two are completely empty. I made sure that I use every single drop. This is so good for your body. Your skin feels really smooth and soft. And I gotta tell you something again. If you have cellulite or crepey skin, use this, and then you can use your massager from the dollar store. Your skin is going to look awesome. These are really good product, and I will always continue to use these, and I use this every single time. Again, it always comes in a pack of 3, and I'm still using one of them. Next, I do have my CoverGirl Color Correcting Serum Moisturizing Primer. I showed you guys this one before. This is empty. And if you are dark skin, you need to put this on before your makeup, okay? You do your facial cleansing, you put on your serums, you put on your moisturizer, then you go in with this and you put your foundation on top. That's all you need. This is going to make your skin so even and smooth and balanced, and it's going to leave your skin looking fresh all day. It's a moisturizer, a serum, and a color correcting all in one, okay? And I'm going to always continue to talk about this product because it is so good, okay? And from Fenty Skin, this is the fat water. This is one of the samples that I had. I'm still trying to finish up the cleanser and the moisturizer, but for some reason, the toner always finishes first. I don't know why. But here is the toner, and I do have the full size already, but this is completely empty. There's just like a tiny bit to the bottom, but this is so good. And if you're thinking of starting your skincare journey, I highly recommend that you start with the Fenty skincare products. The 3-piece system is absolutely perfect. It is absolutely top notch when it comes to clearing up your skin, getting rid of those pimples, and oh my God, it is so good. And it's called the fat water, which basically means it's a toner, okay? But I am not quite sure what's in her products that really works. It smells like papaya and all kinds of good stuff in it, but I mean, I'm telling you, her skincare products are really worth the money. Next, I do have from Miss Alicia Keys. This is a Luminous Exfoliating Cleanser. And this is really good. It makes your skin feel like you just walked out from a beautiful, expensive spa. What I don't like about this product is the fact that it is in a powder form, and I really don't like it. It doesn't matter how little I use of this product, a little bit of those little balls always gets into my eyes, and I really hate that. And I mean, I know it's a very clean product, it's not going to damage my eyes or anything, but the fact that it always gets into my eyes, and I always try to massage my face and avoid the eyes, but for some reason it always slips in. But a good product, I will not buy this anymore. And this is the Golden Cleanser. This is the liquid cleanser. I like this one. I'm not quite sure if I'm going to be buying this again, but of course, you know Miss Alicia Keys, she's got beautiful skin and she does not wear any makeup because she uses so many beautiful skincare products that really enhances her skin, and that's one of the things I love about her. And this I may consider buying again, but not the cleanser that's in the powder form, the exfoliator. I will not buy this, but I would probably consider buying this cleanser. This is called the Golden Cleanser. That's really good. So next I do have from First Aid Beauty. This is the Sculpting Body Lotion. Visibly firms, tones, and tighten. Yes, that's true. Because you know sometimes you do have this kind of an excess fat sometimes just in the middle of the arm right here. Or if you just want to tighten up just to the bottom of the arms, this is really, really good. It's slightly pricey, but it's not something I'm going to buy again. I'm just going to be lifting some weights. And that's it, but it's a good product. It's a good one. Next, I do have this product from Sukin. This is a revitalizing facial scrub. It's an exfoliant. I do have another one, believe it or not. I like it, although I'm trying to avoid exfoliants with little beads in it. But it is a really good product. I love the way my skin feels when I use this. But rather than using this in the shower, I always stand in front of my mirror in my bathroom and I just put a little bit of this on my hands and I massage all over my face. But I use a washcloth to remove it. This way I am guaranteed that nothing is going to be falling into my eyes. And I got this from, I think, the Healthy Planet. It's a good one. And last but not least, I do have the Rice Wash from Tatcha. And this is a cream cleanser, and I really like this one. This reminds me of the Fenty Beauty face cleanser. It gives my skin this like a similar feel. And if I'm looking for like a really lazy day quick wash, I'm going to use this and the moisturizer because I do get that good benefit from this product. And I may buy it again, I'm not quite sure, but it is a good one. And again, from Tatcha, it's a cream cleanser and it gives you a very light lather on the face and it makes your skin feel so good. And then when you go in with a moisturizer from Tatcha as well, that just balances out everything. It's a really, really good one. So again, I may consider buying this product again. Okay, and so these are all of my skincare empties. I'm going to leave everything in the description box for you guys, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. Just sound off in the description box, and in a few weeks I'm gonna come back and let you guys know what I'm using on my face currently, the new products I'm using, and I'm going to share with you guys. And I will encourage you guys to pick up these products here from the dollar store. You will not be sorry. You will thank me later, okay? This is the anti-cellulite massager, and this is the exfoliating brush, okay? And again, it fits nicely into your hands. Very, very comfortable, and it's extremely, extremely light, okay? So I do thank you guys so much for watching. Again, hope you enjoyed today's video, and of course, please come back next week for another video. Doodles!